Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about market conditions, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description to find Coach Ernie's Skool Community. Enjoy guys.
So I was looking at this period right here.
Oh, yeah.
From here to here. And if I go back to the VIX, we started the service in March of 2021. So all through this period right here, all of this, it was a field day. But you can see just from the pandemic, that disruption kept us in the Goldilocks zone for 3 years. And things were great. And most of you joined when we got down here, sorry to say. But we've had a few periods where we've come up and you've seen the difference. And that's just a taste. I'm saying when you're sustained up in this area, it's a completely different story. So it's not that I'm like hoping for a recession, because I understand that it's going to come with a lot of pain and misery for a lot of people. But damn, as a trader, it's a great time to be alive, particularly if you're a premium collector. So anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can articulate this idea of big pants fit more butts type of methodology. And I think that you'll find it valuable, and it'll allow you to release a lot of anxiety that you might have with whether or not you're doing the right thing, and start realizing that as long as you stay within your range and the things that we talk about and just make good resolute decisions, each day isn't that important. You're going to find that some days you're going to have good results, some days not so good results, some days fantastic results, and then streaks of good and bad. And you can't look at it as any series of days of having any kind of impact. You can't see it. You can't really see your real performance until after the fact, and when you're doing those retrospectives and then continually mulling over it. And that's why I said that your decisions shouldn't be as if you know what you're doing all the time, or that this is the right criteria to use, this is the right risk to reward, this is the right width. You got to be a little bit looser than that. You play the range, and you'll find that over time, if you can then plot your performance based on that wider set of data, you're going to get some better information that will tell you, oh, when I played a little tighter in this market, I did a little bit better. When I played looser, not so much. If you try to stick to like really stringent criteria all the time, you never see that stochastic. You don't see that, I don't know, dithering, and enough data that will actually fill in and give you some real information. It's one of the problems with trading as a day trader too, because you're just looking at a very tiny little slice of the pie, and you can't get an appreciation for what your overall performance is on any single day or any few days that you string together. It's over a long period of time that you start seeing that. And over time, if you follow the process and you follow the strategy, you'll start slowly doing this, and the anxiety will go away. You'll develop more confidence, and you'll see it. You'll relish times when the volatility is coming up, because you'll expect that things will get better. And then when volatility goes down, you'll know that it's not that things get worse, it's just that you can hold the line with an occasional surprise.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button below. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, remember to check out the link in the description for Ernie's Skool Community.